Book Chapter 1, The French Revolution, Summary Notes. Small Diamond Introduction. The French Revolution began in 1789 and ended the monarchy, leading to the rise of a republic in France. It inspired struggles for freedom and equality in other parts of the world. France causes of the French Revolution. 1. Social inequality, 3 estates. First estate, clergy, privileged. Second estate, nobility, privileged. Third estate, common people, peasants, workers, bourgeoisie, no privileges. Third estate bore the tax burden but had no political rights. 2. Economic crisis. France in debt due to wars and royal extravagance. Poor harvests, right pointing arrow, rising bread prices, right pointing arrow, widespread hunger. 3. Weak leadership. King Louis XVI lacked effective leadership. Queen Marie Antoinette was unpopular for her lavish lifestyle. 4. Enlightenment ideas. Thinkers like Rousseau, Voltaire, and Montesquieu inspired people to demand liberty, equality, and fraternity. 5. Influence of American Revolution. Success of the American Revolution inspired the French to demand rights. Calendar major events. 1789, the Revolution begins. May. Louis XVI calls the States General to raise taxes. June 20, Tennis Court oath, Third Estate forms National Assembly. July 14, storming of Bastille, symbol of tyranny. August 1789, Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen. October 1789, Women's March to Versailles forces royal family to move to Paris. Balance scale new constitution, 1791. Limited monarchy established. Voting rights restricted to active citizens, only men who paid taxes. Classical building, fall of the monarchy and rise of the republic. 1792, France becomes a republic. 1793, King Louis XVI and later Marie Antoinette executed. Cooking knife, the Reign of Terror, 1793-1794. Led by Robespierre and the Jacobins. Harsh laws, executions by guillotine. Ended with Robespierre's own execution. Classical building, rise of Napoleon. 1799, Napoleon Bonaparte seizes power. Ends the revolution and establishes himself as emperor. Busts in silhouette, role of different groups. Women demanded education and equal rights. Slaves in colonies, inspired by revolutionary ideas, e.g., Haiti. Middle class, bourgeoisie led many demands for political change. Globe impact of the French Revolution. Abolished monarchy and feudal privileges. Spread ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Inspired revolutions and reforms in other countries.